Hey friends, today we're on a scallop hunt. I've been spotting scalloped edge decor everywhere, so we're heading to Walmart, Target, and a thrift store to find the best pieces, including a mirror for a fun DIY. Then it's back to decorate. I'll show you how I style everything in a mini home tour. If you love decorating, thrifting, and cozy home vibes, stick around. Let's go shopping. Alright, we're kicking things off at Walmart, and I already have a few scallop pieces on my radar thanks to their app, but I'm hoping to discover even more hidden gems. First stop, the kitchen section. Now, I'm not opposed to using plates as decorations, and look at these scallop baking dishes. Aren't these cute? Look how perfect they would look on an open shelf. Next, I'm making my way to the little home decor section in the back of our newly remodeled Walmart. Oh my goodness, we have found the honey pot. This section is full of ideas. Look at this wicker tray and matching bowl. This tray is definitely coming home with me. And would you look at these mini rechargeable lamps with scallop trim? No doubt these can be used in decorating. They're going in my cart. Okay, moving on to pillows. This green scallop pillow is stunning. The scallop detailing makes it look so high-end, and the green color is incredibly versatile. I actually own this one already and love it, but let's add another one to my cart. And of course, I got sidetracked because how could I not stop and admire this beautiful My Texas House gingham pillow? It has the prettiest trim, reversible patterns, and even a zipper to swap out the pillow form. 2 of these are going with me. Oh, and real quick, let's stop at the rugs. This rug matches my color scheme at Summer Hill, but I can't decide where I'd put it. Should I grab it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, back to scallop hunting. What do we have here? A scalloped edge dough bowl? Oh my goodness, I love dough bowls. Walmart, you have outdone yourself. This is seriously the cutest. Into the cart it goes. Now, let's check out and head home. Okay, so that was a successful trip. I was surprised at how much Walmart has that has the scallop edging to it. Probably the biggest surprise for me were those adorable little lamps, and all the places you can put those is unlimited. On your kitchen counter, you can put them on a bookcase, as a part of a tablescape. They're so versatile, and they're battery powered. Well, rechargeable. They're rechargeable, which makes them so versatile. They also look cute in a bathroom. But let's head home and see what we can do with these scallop decorations, and I'll show you a few others at my house. So, funny story, I was supposed to head home, but off camera I decided to make a little detour to Target. Because if anyone has cute scallop decor, it's gotta be Target, right? First, find a scallop doormat. Not my usual style, but still, how cute is this? Now let's head to Joanna Gaines' Hearth and Hand section and see what she has. Oh my goodness, these planters. They're so cute. Such a great way to bring this scallop decor. They come in different sizes and colors, so you can easily layer them on your porch or put beautiful plants in them inside your home. Definitely adding one of these to my cart to think on. Now check out this cake stand. The scallop detail around the edge makes it a statement piece even when it's empty. Oh, she also has candles with scallop edges. So simple yet charming, and there's even a larger clear glass version. Okay, I may have gotten distracted again because I have to check out her faux flowers. And look at this one. It reminds me of Queen Anne's lace. I'm grabbing it for sure. Now, on to Studio McGee. This basket bowl is darling. Let's add it to the cart and think on it. Another scallop pillow. This one is really pretty, but it doesn't match my color scheme this year. And would you look at this wavy scallop dish? This would be perfect on a bathroom counter or vanity to put your rings and other things in. Let's pop over to the outdoor section real quick. Oh wow, Studio McGee's new scallop gingham pillow is finally here. I've been waiting for this one, and it's just as pretty in person as it looks online. Into the cart it goes. Okay, well, that's enough shopping. Let's check out and head home to do some styling. I was surprised to see that Target didn't have as much as Walmart, but I did find those Studio McGee gingham pillows, and I actually shared them in my spring Studio McGee blog post. And I was surprised to find out they're in the outdoor section. I was looking in the normal section last time when I did the Studio McGee video. So go check that out. I'll put the link in my description. But they're starting to put out outdoor stuff, and that is such a cute gingham scalloped pillow. They can go outside. So let's head home. We're back home, and it's time to style these scallop beauties. I'm excited to show you what I ended up buying. Time to take this down. So I picked up these outdoor pillows at Target that have this cute scallop trim, and I'm thinking they would look really cute on the bench on my front porch. This bench that I found at an estate sale. So let's give that a try. Maybe we just want one. Okay, I think one looks good. I like it. Now remember that rug from Walmart I debated on? I think it would look amazing as a doormat out here. I might need to go back and get it. Next, let's work on the entryway. So I grabbed this spring lavender plant from my attic because I just love it. It's like one of those decorations that fills my home with a springy feel. And then I grabbed this scalloped basket tray because I've been trying to make this entryway a little more cozy, and I think the basket and the tray is the key. So let's give it a try. I'm using the scalloped wicker basket tray to create a little vignette, adding books, a lavender plant, a cloche with a bird's nest, and a brass candlestick. And then we'll put the bunny here and see what we think about that. Now here's another scallop pattern, and this is part of Studio McGee's design right now, and it is a candy dish. Look at that. So you can actually eliminate the bunny and just have the dish, or put the bunny on top and you've got a cute Easter decoration. Either way. Love how this came out, except I think it would look better if I polish the brass candlestick. Let me go do that. I'll be right back. So it cleaned up really good, but I've never noticed, like, I guess the craftsmanship here when they were bending it. I've never noticed that, but it definitely cleaned up good. So let's add one of my favorite candles to it, battery powered candles. And that, I feel like that gave it just a prettier look. It gave it another color in here. Now let's head over to my dining area to work on a table centerpiece and what to do with these mini lamps. First, I want to try them on the bookcase. Oh, it fits perfect. I was worried that it was going to be too tall. This is going to look so nice. I can put one here and one on the other side. So it turns on with that little button right there. You just tap it. It must be like activated by heat or something. So it's really easy. But the cool thing about putting these on both my bookcases is if I want to have some lighting on my table, I can just grab them from right here and put them on my table. It's a great idea. Let's do something fun with the scalloped dough bowl. First, I'm going to use the flowers to fill the dough ball. So I picked these up at Target. They're one of Hearth and Hand's in their flower section, and they look so good. They remind me of Queen Anne's lace, so I thought that would be pretty in the new dough ball on the dining table. And to do that, I bend them and just lay them in there. This is the easiest project ever. I just keep bending them and laying them different directions until I get them exactly how I want. It's like I took my dough ball out to the garden and cut some flowers and just laid them inside. It's like a beautiful cottagecore vibe to have them free form in the bowl. Now, I think it would be perfect to put those tiny lamps on each side, and it just polished and finished this centerpiece decoration. Isn't this pretty? In my guest bedroom, I decided to change out my basket lamp. Okay, so next I want to show you how you can add a scallop trim. Sorry, my door's shutting all of a sudden. Anyways, how you can add a scallop trim to a light. And I made this basket light, this hanging basket light, years and years ago. So I'll be sure to put a link in the description to how to make this. It is super, super easy. And if you need to add a hanging light in a room, this is by far the easiest way to do that. You don't need an electrician, and you can get all the stuff in Amazon to make it, and then just pick you out a pretty basket. So we're gonna do this scalloped basket. This is actually the basket that's in my master bathroom, but I simply just made a hole in it, and we're gonna replace it over here as an idea of adding a scalloped light in your guest bedroom or any room. Just like that, I made a scalloped edge light. Isn't it pretty? Now, remember our thrift trip where I found that mirror? Well, I had an idea of converting it into a scalloped edge mirror. I'll have more about how I did this in a future video, so check the description to see if I've already done it and if there's a link below. Now let's take a walk through the house and see where else I already have scallop decor. My vintage style dresser under the TV has a scalloped edge, and that brings up the subject of, do scalloped edges all have to be perfectly the same size? And the answer is no. It can be different sizes, like this piece of furniture. Now let's head to my kitchen sitting room where I have some scalloped edge plates. Each of these plates adds a different element to your hutch decoration. So when you're shopping either in the store or thrifting, keep your eyes open for plates that have scalloped edges, because this elevates your decor and makes it a little more interesting. That's it for today's scalloped hunt. Let's take one last look at everything styled together. much for decorating with me here at Summerhill. I hope you had fun shopping and styling with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon for more decorating fun. Bye!